Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Sorry guys. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful, 1987 Chevrolet R10 pickup truck. It's custom. Really cool truck, guys. It's had a complete body up restoration, just completed about 2 years ago. They're figuring right around 2,000 miles on the restoration, and it is slick. Sorry, man, I'm struggling here with my voice today. Beautiful paint. It's finished in Marina blue. I love it's got the blue Hounds Tooth interior in it. I'll tell you what, man, driven this truck a couple of times now. This thing hits the road awesome, man. Pretty cool. It's got aluminum headed 3-3 stroker motor underneath the hood. It's got a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, so it's fun to go out and bang the gears. But it really handles, shifts nice. I mean, just a really nice truck. You can see it's got 20-inch Billet Specialties all the way around it. Again, real pretty paint. I love the Hounds Tooth interior. Good, solid, straight old truck. Not a whole lot to pick on it, I'll tell you that right now. Little ding in your trim there. That grill's definitely original, so you can nitpick it a little, but pretty doggone nice, guys. I saw a couple little spots on your front bumper. That's probably original front bumper. Front spoiler. Boy, pretty paint. Cowl hood, that's a steel cowl hood. It's detailed up really nice underneath the hood. They kind of they did it a little differently. Did it in all gray. Pretty truck. I love the Hounds Tooth. I thought that was super cool. You can see it's got the spray-in bedliner, which is nice. Actually, just sold my Ram, but it had this. Man, that's bulletproof. That nice thing, you can throw your chairs in there if you're going to car shows, whatever you're doing, man. That stuff is bulletproof. Pretty truck. Same thing on the rear. I think that's your original rear bumper. Yeah, that one might be new, guys. I think that one might be new. Truck's nice and straight down the side. It's got a 5.7 drop on it. It's got drop spindles on the front. Tubular control arms with coil-overs on the front as well. It's got Nitto rubber there on the rear. Yeah, like I said, I put a few miles on it, and man, this truck hits the road good, I'm telling you. Nice and tight, like I say, shift out real good. Shifts out real good. Front disc brakes. Got just a wicked sounding 3-3 small block Chevy stroker engine in it. You can see it's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel Victor Jr intake. Does have aluminum heads, headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an aftermarket ignition box on it. Does have air blows cold. And look, I love the way they did this. This is all in a gray, man. Underneath the hood's done that way. I mean, they detailed it up nice. Fender wells are painted gray. Again, it's got tubular control arms on the front. It's got adjustable coilovers on the front as well. Definitely got some power. It's fun to bang the gears, but nothing crazy. Clean old truck, I'll tell you that. Definitely new mirrors, new door handles. Look how nice those door skins are. Little rub mark there. I love the blue Hounds Tooth. I've got new floor mats coming for it. Billet steering wheel. Yeah, a little discolorization there, but the seat's definitely all been repatted, refoamed. It's got an LED interior light billet. It's got that bow tie rear mirror on it. Showing 42,017. I'm sure that's one for. I love how they put that so fast on there. Really, like I say, they said just, you know, a couple thousand miles on the truck since it's been done. Retrosounds radio. I think that's off your ignition box underneath, if you can see that. Aftermarket tach. You can see the dash pad's really nice. It's not busted up at all. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a stock 12-bolt rear end. Nothing, no big gear or anything like that. 323. Is that wax or? I think that's wax, guys. Yep, I think that'll come off. Look how clean that truck is, man. Just a really good truck, man. Turn the key and go have some fun. Again, air blows cold. My buddy Scott down there in Tennessee who got it, he drove this truck around for an entire weekend. Said it's just a great truck. Man, little stone peck there. Same thing there. I dig it, man. Cool truck. This comes out. They put a plug-in too for your phone. Good, yep, fired up. Got a great sound too. This thing sounds awesome. Nice little cam to it. Where you just get your air on, it blows cold. Fun truck to bang the gears, man. That's a good looking truck. I like the cowl hood. The thing just sits there and talks to you. Gauges are all holding good oil pressure. Gauges are all functional. Tach works. I know the radio works. All the dash lights works. Parking brake does work, guys. Oh, I love that sound. Boy, that's a fun truck right there, man. Works. You just got to tune it to a station. Blower motor works. Can you get a station or doors open and close real nice? All the wipers work. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.